First, insert your text description across 2 slides, placing the title on the first slide and both the title and description on the second. Repeat this process for as many slides as needed. For this demonstration, I'll use 10 slides. Once inserted, add a new slide, drag it upwards, and use the Add Section feature to organize the slides containing titles and descriptions into multiple sections, assigning each one accordingly. Setting up the slides this way will allow you to enable the section zoom feature in your presentation. With that done, return to the first slide, insert your preferred picture, then go to the Insert tab, click Zooms, enter the section zoom options, and add the zooms to the slide. With the zoom selected, go to the Zoom tab and reduce their size. Now, position each section zoom on the picture, ensuring they are properly aligned and evenly distributed both vertically and horizontally on the slide. After that, remove the borders from the section zooms and customize them by removing their individual zoom backgrounds for a seamless fit with the picture. Additionally, disable the Return to Zoom option for all section zooms except the last one. Now, insert your title text, then select all slides in the presentation except the first one. Apply the Morph Transition and reduce the transition duration. Finally, for smoother transitions, select the slides that contain only the title text in the presentation and set them to transition automatically. Now you know how to create engaging presentations. Check out more amazing PowerPoint tutorials on my profile.